the world a watch we. All the nastiness them copy to it. It's a weird thing, you know. All the dirtiness in the dance hall they copy to, you know. You have to look at Russian woman will come down here, you know, from Russia. And learn every little move. You want to see them start there for the school, the dance place. Up a Barbican there. Every dance move. These little Russian ladies come and learn it, you know, and go back to Russia, go study, and go write, and go learn, and go teach. They move them. That is why I hold you for the dance and then can't get no work. Because they've done, make the little white girl, them fly, come down and teach them the dance move them. And the man, them learn the dance move them and go back to foreign, go make money and fight. And then sit down around here, so, a hype. I live off a hype. Say, oh, I will teach them girl them move, you know. Yes, I want to teach the girl them to move them, but guess what? And the girl them make money and fight. I want to dress up in all the nice outfit and you know, this and you know, tear up jeans and you know, do all for that. And all I could have do I make some little video we just play upon Jamaican TV. Where them girls go back to go back to France and go back to Russia and all them places. Them have them big school I teach dance. And what kind of dance them I teach? The same dance so we did the hype up about and I go on like and them get rich off fight. You understand? It's a serious thing.
It's like when you're talking about those Russian girls, they come, they learn and they go back. And not just Russians to others too, as you know.
Yeah, Germans,
and they set up schools and write books and earn a lot of money.
Yeah, well, are we there teach them?
And the Jamaicans who teach them don't get yes, and
are we
not
there
only that,
teach
when
them?
the Jamaicans who teach them want to get visas to go on tour to these countries, say Russia and so and so, to get the thing, they're not getting any visas because the people that teach don't want them as the teachers to come and earn the money because they would show them up as the real thing.
Well,
you know?
Because we there teach them.
Yeah,
we there teach them.
And we really need to